How do you get a last word of a given line of text? Let us consider the following code. Line is equal to input of enter line of text. Enter a line of text. Then after getting a line of text, since we want to get a last word of a line of text, we will split into words. Words is equal to line dot split off. Line dot split off. That words will be printed. Last word I want. The split function returns the list of words in the form of a list. I want to get the last word. So I will apply words of -1, which will give you the last word. I'll print last word is equal to. Print that last word. Print last word is equal to comma last word. I will write it. Let us run this code. Enter the line of text. Python is an OOP language, object oriented language. Lang is a last word which is going to give you the result. So lang is the word. Again you try to run it. HYD is the capital of TS. TS is the capital of TS. TS is a last word. Last word is printed. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe Naresh IT. Share it.